In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders for other people in Slack. Have you ever found yourself needing to remind a colleague about an important task or pinch them to remember a deadline? Well, Slack offers a nifty feature that allows you to do just that, and it's what we're diving into today. First, open up your Slack application. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the workspace where you need to set the reminder. Once you're in, locate the conversation with the person you want to set the reminder for. This can be either a direct message or a channel where that person is a participant. Now, you'll want to start by typing the command directly into the message input box. Type remind, followed by tagging the person with @ and their username. For example, if you wanted to remind John Doe, you would write remind @ John Doe. Next, mention the exact reminder you wish to set. Be as specific as possible so the other person knows exactly what needs to be done. For instance, it could be a task like submit the project report. Therefore, your message should now look something like remind @ John Doe to submit the project report. After specifying the task, you'll need to attach a timing for the reminder. You can set a particular date and time or use relative terms like tomorrow or next week. So, to complete the setup, you'd write something like remind @ John Doe to submit the project report tomorrow at 10 a.m. Once you've written out the full command, hit enter. Slackbot, Slack's built-in automation tool, will now confirm that it has scheduled the reminder. You will see a confirmation message inside the conversation, letting you know that the reminder is all set. This is a great time to double-check the details and ensure everything is correct. If you need to make changes, you can always cancel the reminder and set it again. Let's go over a few additional tips. Remember that reminders can be super versatile. You can use them for a variety of tasks, such as follow-ups, meeting notifications, or even just to check in on someone. It's also important to be aware of different time zones if you're working with a distributed team. Make sure the times align with the recipient's local time. This step can save a lot of confusion down the line. Finally, communication is key. Always let the recipient know you're setting a reminder for them. It avoids any surprises and keeps the teamwork flowing smoothly. And there you have it. That's the step-by-step process for setting reminders for someone else in Slack. Not only is it an efficient way to keep track of tasks, but it also helps foster better organization within your team. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.